With a headlight missing, upholstery ripped, and the floorboards rusting, your old car has definitely seen better days. It's wasting space, and you need to get rid of it. But who's going to buy the junky old thing? We will. We buy all vehicles, no matter their condition. Body damage, mechanical issues, missing parts, broken windows, total lemons, we love them all. Whether they're gently used or completely totaled, drive, tow, or push your old car in and walk out with cold hard cash. We buy your car, dead or alive.